Hello, kids! Today we will learn prepositions of place.
Hi, everyone! Let's start our adventure lesson. Look at me! Am I on the stone or in the stone? Yay, of course! On the stone! Am I in front of the dinosaur or behind the dinosaur? Correct! I am behind the dinosaur! Am I inside the chest or outside the chest? Right, I am inside. Am I inside or outside? Thinking. Yes, outside. Look, am I behind the car or in front of it? Yes, in front of the car. Awesome. Well, am I under the bridge or on the bridge? Yes, under the bridge. You're doing amazing. Wow, space. Am I above the planets or below them? Yes, I'm above. Am I in front of the giraffe or behind it? What do you think? Good job, of course, in front. Am I next to the volcano or between them? Yes, between. Perfect. Am I next to the robot or far away? Correct, next to. You're amazing. Wow, look at this. Are the airplanes far away or around? Excellent, that's right, around.